this video, I'm going to talk about how to make sound holes and some of the different tools you're going to need to make the different shapes. I think a good selection of small files in interesting shapes is very helpful. Round file, it's a triangular bit file. This is a coping saw blade, 15 TPI, and it's just got some tape around it. And you're going to need an awl to mark the center of your holes. And this bit on an electric drill is very useful for making different size holes very quickly. In the last video, we marked off where we could put the sound holes. We don't want the kerfing or the end blocks to show through the sound holes. I don't think it would be very attractive. So we're going to keep the sound holes inside of this area and away from the bridge brace. I decided to do a SpongeBob design, and that's going to be pretty simple. I just have a couple of small circles drawn for the sound holes. In this video, I'll also show you how to draw a heart and how to do some other designs as well. A heart shape is basically just two circles connected with a triangular shape. So I'm going to draw a very light line here. And put a couple of circles next to each other. I guess I should also figure out the middle so the heart is centered. This is my basic heart shape, and I'm going to mark the center of the hole so the drill doesn't slip. Okay, I got the two holes. They need to be the same size. I'm going to use this coping saw blade. I've got a little tape here to make it easier to hold. When you use it, try to use the blade closest to the grip. If it's too difficult for you to use the saw blade like this, use a regular coping saw, but you'll have to take the saw blade out to get it inside the hole. However, it is probably easier to use the saw that way. I'm going to use some files to shape it a little nicer. And finally a little sandpaper around the edges. Come back to the SpongeBob design really quickly. I'm going to drill these holes. Of course, this is the back side, so I'm going to drill the holes here, then I'm going to flip it over and transfer the design to this side. These are some of the designs that students are currently working on. Smiley face, I love that one. Can you see it? Explosions. So remember, sound holes can be anything you want them to be, as long as they're part of a great design.